it's Dr. Kaltwriter, Integrative Healthcare Solutions. I'm with Sam, our chiropractic assistant. I'm going to demonstrate a side posture adjustment. This adjustment is awesome. If you're having a lot of low back pain, you will experience a lot of relief with this adjustment. So Sam, I'm going to have you on your side facing me. For this adjustment, back leg straight, this leg back, and we're going to roll over and do adjustment right to the sacroiliac joint. Arms like this, like a pretzel, and relax it. Here we go. There we go, one more. There we go. And all the way back. That is a side posture adjustment and very good at relieving that tension in the low back. This is Dr. Kaltwriter, Integrative Healthcare Solutions. Have a great day.